On Friday, news emerged that noted thespian Volier Johnson had died. In a career that spanned 50 years, he was one of the indelible faces of Jamaican theatre. Johnson became a household name in the 1980s for his role as Maffie, the sidekick of Marlon Samuels in the beloved Olive at Large series. Johnson was a prolific stage actor, appearing in numerous pantomimes and other productions. Marlon Samuels looks at the life and works of this beloved Jamaican.
The influential, multi-talented Volier Johnson began his acting career while a student at the St. Andrew Technical High School in Kingston.
I started acting at school, St. Andrew Tech, and Trevor Rowan was at school teaching drama and speech at that time. So I started doing 2 pantomimes for St. Andrew Tech, and I left it and did a review for Trevor at school. When I left school in 1970, I did a review named Please.
On leaving school, he got a small role as a handcart man in the Jamaican cult classic movie, The Harder They Come. He tried his hand at a number of careers, including poultry farming, but his talent was in the field of acting. His timing and delivery was on point, and he was featured in a number of pantomimes and plays.
Once I did I can't remember which play, but I got a review that stated that I was taking serious part and turned into comedy, right?
And you felt crushed.
Yeah.
You were upset.
I was so upset because I didn't really meant to do that to anybody's script, you know?
Yes.
It's just that maybe the way I say things or the timing that I have on stage or whatever, you know, to come out with the words at that point and or say it,
it's
you
the
know,
timing,
it's just different.
It's the timing.
He also shone on the screen and had various roles in a number of television sitcoms, including Lime Tree Lane. He was most famous for his role as Maffie in the Jamaican television sitcom Oliver at Large.
I have a slight problem. That's why I check you.
What kind of problem?
Well, I have a big crusade arranged next week, starting Sunday near the church building front. American preacher. Can you imagine a foreign preacher?
With foreign accent?
Imagine the response.
Him do healing?
Then a mass. You think people will come to service, come through the paper money collection plate, and the preacher can't heal?
Maffie, how I come into it?
Well, my foreign preacher him can't make it.
Oh, what happened? Why?
Well, some form of complication.
What sort of complication? Him find out about your past?
No, man, not like that. Them arrest him for fraud.
Them arrest your preacher for fraud?
Yes, and them trial is next week. Some can't leave the country.
Well, you have 2 days in which to find a person. That shouldn't be a problem. For them to have passed in Jamaica by the thousand.
Look, I know all kind of preacher me like deal with, you know. I don't like deal with the real preacher them.
So what other kind of preacher they have?
You don't understand, Oliver, man.
Explain it to me, no?
My foreign preacher is a real preacher.
What him is? A robot?
A kind of actor like.
A kind of actor like?
He also starred in his own sitcom, Maffie.
I have so much love in my heart, brothers and sisters, my comfort is over. For God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son. For there abideth faith, hope, and charity. And the greatest of these 3 is charity.
Volier Johnson was also a constant source of wit and laughter, as part of the entertaining team that keeps the nation engaged and rollicking with laughter on Fame FM's Full House Fridays. He was the winner of the Actor Boy Award for Best Actor in 1996 for his role in the play Toy Boy. In 2013, the Jamaican government awarded Volier Johnson the Order of Distinction for his contribution to the arts. Volier Johnson's career in the arts spanned over 50 years. He reportedly collapsed at home on Friday, July 9, 2021, and died shortly after in hospital. Throughout his life, Volier Johnson made theatre and television history in Jamaica. His legacy to theatre served as a mirror to his life. It places the spotlight on who he was while reflecting Jamaica's culture throughout his artistic endeavors. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.